Hey, it's Miss Black Goat 24, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the outfit of the day for plus size. I'm rocking the Jamaican colors, so check it out. So I'm going to start from the bottom. Um, I have on these little ballet shoes. I don't know what you want to call them. They're very comfortable. I got them from Dee Dee's for probably about $12. And then up, I have the stretchy jeans. That's blue. And then I have a yellow tank top with the Bob Marley shirt. I got the Bob Marley shirt from Walmart for $7. Yeah, so I'm loving it. Then I have the red earrings. They're pretty big. I've been having these for years. They're like the only red pair of earrings I own. So I don't even remember the price. Probably $2 or $3. You guys know I'm a bargain shopper. I have this owl ring with the diamond studs. Um, as I've shown in my previous videos, and I got that from Avenue for about $7 or $8. Um, I have on a few bangles. I have a whole set, but I'm not wearing them all today. And then I have this black bangle on. I got this on my vacation in Georgia for $4. And then my eye color, I'm rocking the green, red, and yellow look. And then I just have some curls in my hair. Nothing too fancy. So I hope you guys like my outfit. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.